It's good to be a part of using the gifts that the Creator gave us. And I think it's key for us because we're looking at taking care of Mother Earth. We have two projects on the go. One is a 75 kilowatt photovoltaic project with solar panels on our canoe shed, our administration building, our fisheries building. It's going to power our little community down there. The other part is the 25 houses we have installed solar hot water tanks. Education is the key, and if we can focus on education for our kids now and the adults that are doing this kind of training, you can see how it can prosper for our kids that are coming up.
A lot of the things we learned from this project could be used for many other fields of construction, things like soldering together pipes or plumbing work or roof safety, ladder safety, just general knowledge that can be used in any field.
The training program is a program that we've designed not just to bring technologies to the community, but to really provide ownership of the technology. They've really helped us in designing the program, and hopefully we can move on to next communities with them.
What we learn out of this project, we'll be able to share that knowledge and be able to help each other.
I think it's great. It's really something I like to contribute to. It's something that needs to be done for the future, and it's just great to be able to help out with it.